Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting materials and verifying the line. This saves rework. Once done, measure and mark post locations at 8 to 10 ft intervals because consistent spacing keeps the mesh taut. You dig holes 2 to 3 feet deep for frost protection. Set end and corner posts first in concrete to create fixed anchors. Make sure posts are plumb and aligned using a string line. This alignment guides every subsequent rail and frame you'll install. You next install the top rail to form the fence backbone. Slide rails into fittings and tighten bands so the structure resists sagging. Once rails are secure, unroll the chain link beside the line and hook one end to an end post using a tension bar. This prevents slippage. Then use a come-along or stretcher to pull the mesh tight toward the opposite post. Tightness ensures long-term performance. After stretching, attach the mesh to the top rail and posts with ties every 12 to 24 inches. You finish by installing bottom tension wire for stability and capping posts to prevent water damage, then hang gates, checking swing and latch alignment. Trim any excess mesh with bolt cutters and crimp or fold sharp edges inward because safety matters. Once all ties are in place, walk the run to spot loose sections and retighten ties as needed. If you see sagging, restretch that segment, add additional ties or a midrail, and verify post plumbness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.